All right, it's Friday, December 15th. Just following up on the SPY, you can see here it has rolled over and now it's making its big push down below the lows of the day. The options, I bought those 472 puts at 341. They're about at 4 right now as it kind of hits this key area. So you can decide whether you want to scale out, set up an overage trade, and see if it at this point, it should be no worse than break even. Should it fail, this is kind of a key inflection area, taking out the lows of the day. Is it going to kind of bounce from here, just, on this big drop, just take out some stops and eventually come up by the end of the day? Or is it going to continue lower on the 15-minute chart? Discussed how I was buying the puts kind of up in here, just patiently waiting, and now we take out the lows of the day. We have a 2-down day developing here with a gap to fill in on this bar if it wants to head lower. So at this point, it's the 15-minute chart and how it operates is going to dictate what really develops. Do we just come here, take out some stops, as that was a kind of a key target, or do we, actually head lower towards our next target down here and into this gap and, close the week? I guess you'd have to look at how this week is closing. I still think we'll close green a little bit, but with a selling tail if this kind of holds up. I don't think it's going to get too much weaker today, but you never know. So anyway, at this point, kind of reach its target. No risk trade, just to determine if you, and it's just a matter of how you want to play it. If you want to keep following the 15-minute chart, maybe it has a lot lower. You can see each target along the way down here, and then this fair value gap down in here. If it wants to really break down and give us a big red day to end the week, we'll find out. But anyway, just given this opening price action below the midpoint of the prior day, just the rolling over that was happening here, and the fact that we have some selling coming in as it moves higher, it seems like at the moment. So this was another push higher, bring in some selling. We might build some momentum to the downside. You never know. But good trade buying puts today if you were patient and just kind of, used the price action that was unfolding on the daily chart. At least, anticipating that this was a possibility given just kind of what's developing here and being below the midpoint of the prior day and not seeing much of a rally in the morning. So let's see how much lower it wants to go to end the day.